ask me how I feel and if my love is real and how I know I'll make it through. And they look at me and frown. They wanna drive me from this town. They don't want me around, 'cause I believe in you. They show me to the door. They say don't come back no more, 'cause I don't be like they'd like me to. And I'll walk out on my own 1,000 miles from home, but I don't feel alone, 'cause I believe in you. I believe in you, even through the tears and the laughter. I believe in you, even though we be apart. I believe in you, even on the morning after. Oh, when the dawn is nearing, oh, when the night is disappearing, oh, this feeling is still in my heart. Don't let me drift too far. Keep me where you are, and where I'll always be renewed. And that which you've given me today is worth more than I could pay. And no matter what they say, I believe in you. I believe in you when winter turns to summer. I believe in you when white turns to black. And I believe in you even though I be outnumbered. Oh, when the earth may shake me, oh, though my friends forsake me, oh, even that couldn't make me go back. Don't let me change my heart. Keep me set apart.